Discover the untapped potential of home inspection marketing through the power of news releases. Hey there, home inspectors. Are you looking to give your business a marketing edge? We've got some insider secrets for you. News releases are more than just announcements. They're your ticket to brand visibility and credibility. Learn how to craft a news release that stands out. It's not just about the news, it's about your story. Effective marketing for a home inspection business isn't just about being seen. It's about being remembered. Did you know that a well-written news release can boost your online presence? It's true. Get tips on targeting the right audience. Your news release should speak directly to potential clients. Discover the secret sauce to making your home inspection news release go viral. It's easier than you think. Uncover the common mistakes in home inspection marketing and how to avoid them. Stay ahead of the game. Learn the latest trends in home inspection marketing with our expert insights. Transform your home inspection business with these powerful news release strategies. Visit our article for more.